Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today, congratulations, we're starting Suzuki Viola Book 2, Chorus from Judas Maccabaeus by Handel. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters tool below and skip ahead. Now, this song is one of my favorites. It is short and sweet, just a nice way to ease ourselves into Book 2, just beautiful. Now, we can really sink into the sound, practice our vibrato. If you need help with vibrato, check out some of my earlier videos. Besides that, high 3 on D, not much to really worry about. It's just an enjoyable piece and worthwhile to practice. Chorus is marked as maestoso, which means stately or grand, majestic. So we want this to be beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love it. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found value in this, like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Congratulations on making it to Book 2. Oh, this is exciting. So I will see you in the next song. Bye.